Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Gemini. Gemini people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Gemini, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright, so we have 8 of Wands and 3 of Wands. So this card is your current energy. Alright. Gemini, with this card, it seems like you are waiting for some kind of communication from something, or some confirmation from something, or from somewhere, or from your person. Okay, so you are waiting for something, and that thing, whatever, be it communication, be it confirmation, whatever the thing it is, it's coming towards you. It is definitely coming towards you, and with a very in a rapid speed. Okay, so you, whatever you had wished for, that thing is fulfilling right now. Okay, on the other hand, we have 3 of Wands. It seems like your person is waiting for you. Okay, they are just standing on the edge of this cliff, and they have these 3 wands with them. It means that they are somebody who can take action, but now at this point of time they are not doing anything. Okay, and perhaps they are waiting for you to come. Okay, and the moment you will come or you'll go towards them, they are definitely going to take some action towards you. It seems like it's like a long distance relationship, that they are standing somewhere here and you are standing somewhere there. Okay, so it could also happen that your person must be living in some other part of the city, some other part of the country, some other part of the continent, or so it could be a long distance relationship. Now let's see what is the mutual energy of this relationship. What is the mutual energy of this relationship? Laziness. Laziness. It seems like somebody is being lazy at this point of time. Okay, perhaps you have understood something, or perhaps you have achieved something in life. Now you have taken a hold, you are not taking any action towards this person, or you are taking your own time to to take a step towards this person and all that. Yes, that's the case. You have achieved something, you did something in past, and you achieved that thing. Okay, but now you are enjoying your own time. I'm not saying that you are not talking to them or you are not taking any action towards them. What I'm saying is that you must have started taking this person for granted. Okay, but you are not aware what's coming towards you. Okay, what future is bringing towards you. It seems like you have no idea how quickly your life is about to change. Okay, because the floor is breaking and you are enjoying your own success right now. You should have done something. You should have started taking some action towards this person before it's too late. You should start taking action. Alright, now let's see, Gemini, what your person feels about you, or how they see you, and what is their current action towards you, and what's going to be their future action towards you. So I'm going to pick 3 cards. Okay. So we have healing, innocence, and ordinariness. Okay, your person is seeing you, or your person see you as somebody who is a healer. Okay, it's not that you are a doctor. That means you are somebody who is always available for everyone. Okay, you are somebody who is always available for your family, your friends. Okay, you are just a call away. If somebody calls you in midnight also, so you are ready to help them. Okay, so they see you as somebody, your person sees you as somebody who has this capability to help other people, and they genuinely likes this trait of your personality. Okay, now the current action is innocence. Your person is being very, very innocent. Okay, your person is very, very innocent. Okay, but the thing is that they are not seeing what is coming towards them as well. the way you are not seeing what is coming towards you. Similarly, your person is also not seeing what they are up to. Okay, how quickly their life is about to change, they are not sure about it, they don't know it. Okay, perhaps they are very 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 innocent. Okay, and perhaps they want to take some action towards you, but they are surrounded by a lot of people who are not good for them or for their energies or for their progress. Perhaps this person is surrounded by a lot of sweet talkers, or perhaps this person, it must be surrounded by a lot of people who actually do not know about you. Okay, this could also happen, that perhaps some people of this person life must not know about you, and perhaps in that innocence they must be giving them some advices. Okay, all right. The third card is saying to me that your person is about to take some action towards you. It's okay, they are ready with their 3 wands. Okay, they have this basket which is full of flowers. They are roaming around some forest which is completely full, the trees are full of flowers and all that. And these clouds are telling me that they have surpassed all the negative energies, all the negative thoughts, whatever people are throwing towards them, and now they are just recollecting all the good moments whatever they had spent with you. Okay, so they are coming into your life one more time, or I would say they are coming towards you. Okay, with all of love, all of affection, all of flowers and fragrances. Okay, now let's see, Gemini, what angels are asking you to do right now. What angels are asking you to do right now. Wait. Okay. Gemini, angels are asking you to wait for something. It could be anything. It could be the confirmation for which you are waiting, or anything. You need to see it. You need to look into your eyes for you need to look into your life. What is the thing for which you are desperately wants to hear. So at that from that thing perspective, you need to wait. Angels are asking you to wait for something. I don't know what. Alright, so Gemini, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign with this lazy card and healing card. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, earth sign, Taurus or Capricorn with this ordinance card. And some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 8 of Wands and 3 of Wands. Alright, so Gemini, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.